Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-38D, the boiler blower valve seal for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Pretty quick episode this one, so let's get building. Let's open up File, New, MMGS. Okay, this is a pretty straightforward one. We've done this one a few times. Just the Teflon seal. So it's basically just one circle, always helps. 1, 2, dimension, 8mm and 5mm. Thickness 2mm, and done. Now I'm going to go to I'm going to do rubber. Nope, gloss matte. That's not Teflon, but similar color, so it's just for show. So that's part 3-38D, the boiler blower valve seal, done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. It's a quick and easy one, that one. So thanks again for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.